what's going on, family? We back here. You know what I'm saying? We got the whole crew here. You got your boy Nash here. Who we got today? Yeah, bro. We got the OG. You know, he's ready to go. Ready to go. Who we got here? Okay, that's very nice. We got these two lovebirds in the back here. They acting like they're divorced, but I don't know what happened. So today we had another trip. We had greatwolflodge, guys. Check it out. It's another water park. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we be outside with it all the time.
Yeah.
So right now we're about to check in. Let me see how it looks. 50-50. And you know, as you can see, I'm ready to go. I got that thing on lock.
We're ready. Ready, so
got that thing on lock.
So we ready?
Yeah.
All right.
He said no.
All right. Let's see what's the scene. Check it out, guys.
Personally,
Looks a little depressing.
yeah, I personally like Kalahari better. I'm gonna keep it real. You gotta walk into the people's stuff.
Oh my God.
Personally, I like Kalahari better. Kalahari on top for real. I don't know what's going on here. This is like a summer camp. I feel like that's the
Nah, it actually does look like summer camp.
But like that's the vibe though. But this oh, we got the big fire pit. Okay.
Let's see what else they got. They got it downstairs. I'm going downstairs. There's a what?
Boogeyman down there.
There's a boogeyman down there?
Yes.
All right, guys. I don't know what's down there, bro. I don't know what's down there. They're not getting me. Anyway, guys, we're trying to check in. And personally, I feel as though it's not giving.
All right, we'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, we just reached up in the place. Check it out. Check it out. We just reached up in the place. It looks looking pretty fun right now. What do you think? Yo, DJ Nick, what you think? It's alright. Chef, what do you think? Miss America? What do you think so far? Huh? Oh, we can't really hear you, but... Whoa! Whoa! God, you just see that? Whoa! Check it out, guys. That big bucket up there fills up and it dumps down. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Whee! That was fun? Now it's coming. Bro, they said Nally can't go. LOL. Yo guys, so we just had a whole bunch of fun. Now we're leaving now. We're not leaving. We're checking out the room. We're gonna clock in. Bro. And we're gonna bring our stuff into the room. We're gonna check this room out. And then when we get in the room, we're gonna wreck up the room, jump on the bed, explode the bathroom.
Yeah, we getting room service for sure, right? Courtesy of you?
Yes.
I bet.
Ooh la la. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a bee. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Guys, check it out here. So currently we're in the woods, as it seems to be. Ooh la la. Hey guys, this is real life woods here. Like this is the actual woods, not for fake. I wonder if I wonder if Bigfoot is out here. Oh, never mind. We're not in the woods anymore. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I don't think this room's gonna last 2 hours or an hour. How do you feel? This is where Nick is gonna sleep.
Room service.
Hello? What up? There's upstairs! Yo, look at peep game. Oh, let me check out the view. Oh my shit. Yo, for real, how can life get better than this? Guys, we got the balcony and the seats, bruh. Oh my God, the fireplace. Turn the shit on. There's an actual fire! It's an actual fire!
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Welcome home. So doing a house tour, guys. We just moved in.
House tour.
Lock the door. Oh, lock it. Yeah, we got. You know, we don't want any unwanted visitors. I don't know how you work that shit. But can you lock the door? I don't know what's going on here.
My hair dryer isn't working.
Can you get out of there?
All right, guys. So let me show you.
Ooh la la. Can you guys move?
Out.
Oh my God. Guys, we're not doing a tour of the bathroom.
You dropped the hair dryer.
Okay, so we got the bed right here, and we got another bed here, and the big flat flat screen
With the
TV,
remote?
boy, with the remote. Turn that shit on. Turn it on. So right, and we got this.
Oh my god!
Kick us out. You know who it was? Pizza. So then we got this table, and like I showed you guys this area already here, and as of course the fireplace with another TV, bro. Like, and as I showed you guys already, outside area. You know, this is just a parking lot, but like, you know, still very nice. What do you think? I asked you. What do you think? Now guys, I haven't been upstairs yet, so we're gonna go right now. Check out this bad boy here. Yo, I'm calling the top floor. I'm sleeping upstairs. They sleeping upstairs. I don't care. Or actually, can I sleep up here? Oh yeah. No, move. It's too late. It's either me or your parents. No, we're not. We got the downstairs, bro. It's gonna be late. We got the downstairs. No, it's just they're up here, we're down there. I thought it was 2 rooms. Stupid, it's not 2 rooms. He's dumb. Anyway, guys, keep my outfit here. It's cold as shit. Yo, turn the light on, bro. There's no lights in this place, guys. This is some real camp. They don't get lights.
Oh my god.
OMG. Let's check out this bed. What's over here? Some closet. Let me go. What's in here? Let's see if our last guest left anything for us. Nothing. And what's in here? You guys know I'm nosy. It's a toilet, bro. We're not gonna go over there. Very nice. You got the lights? Yes. Alright, guys. Check it out. Nice. Oh, no. There's no mic. What's wrong with this? Guys, guess who I see out here? He just took a piss down there.
I did.
What? Stop!
Oh, imagine.
Yo, the whole gang on the balcony.
Hey! What are you doing?
Guys, I think I showed you the view. Alright, let's go. Guys, today I'll be the parkour master, and I'll be completing the world's hardest parkour.
stop now. Huh?
Wow.
You sure that? God. No way!
What a very sad news. Now they have lost their headband.
No, they took it, bro. They took it. Let me see. Let me see all of them. Guys, yo, if you don't stop, I will bomb his shit right now. Stop! I'm touching her hair. Yo, stop.
She said stop! Stop your stupidness! Stop!
Let me see it, bro. Oh, my friend.
Yeah? Alright guys, are you guys ready?
Go.
Outside, don't let go. Turn the right, guys. Yes. Alright, hold on tight, don't let go. Turn the right. Alrighty guys, are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Outside, don't let go. Turn the right.
Let's do this!
Good morning, my neighbor!
Alright guys, as you can see, we just wake up here in the hotel room. You see? We had a great time last night. We went to the pool, went to the arcade, but we didn't catch the arcade. So, you know, we gotta celebrate.
Nash. We didn't get any prizes.
Yeah, but we got a lot of tickets, so we had to cash in the ticket for prizes, guys.
Today.
Today?
Yeah, today.
Alright. Nick, how was the trip last night?
Good.
You enjoyed the water park?
Yeah. I drowned 4 times.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. And Sophie's gonna go back another time
Yeah.
because she loved the water park so much. Chef, what do you think?
It's time to pack up and leave.
It's time to pack up and leave, guys.
Time is running out.
Alright, guys. I'm going out to have some breakfast. To get some breakfast.
Yeah, don't come back. Leave. Out. Out.
Look at Amela.
Get out!
Alright. Alright, guys. So we're on our way to the room. No, not the room. Right here. Vending, he says. But inside here is also a microwave. Check it out. Check it out. Microwave in here. They got snacks and drink in here.
Okay. I got this gift for Chef and Miss America's anniversary. I'll give it to them. Here you go. You guys can open it.
Wait,
As a whole, together.
you guys already know we on
Here
the
you go.
balcony. We gotta go on the balcony.
My drinks.
Thank you.
Let me
All
start.
right, now guys, open it.
Okay.
Let's have a good music over this.
I know it's a pretty gift paper.
Oh, what is this?
Oh my goodness! I thank you.
Guys, I don't know.
I think it's
I don't know
the
nothing
best
about
gift, guys.
rum
know
stuff,
that.
but I can
No,
tell.
you didn't. You know nothing.
I told you
know
it was
nothing.
that.
You know nothing.
I think it's the
I can
best
tell.
anniversary.
I-
Oh, don't worry, guys. I got more of the gift from my husband, but I didn't got it with me here, so
Yeah, wow.
we get back to that later.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nick.
Yeah.
Oh, good night, Ash.
Oh.
Can you stop
Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. Guys,
Happy anniversary, guys.
yeah, guys, we have to get away from that.
All right, guys, we're leaving right now. We're gonna leave right now. But I gotta get a refill, you know what I'm saying, right, Nick?
I get a refill.
We got the big cup. We got Chef with his bottle here. Yeah, he got a drink in there.
Yeah, what is that? What's in there?
What's in there, Chef?
The secret recipe.
Okay.
Secret recipe, all right.
Let's go get a refill.
All right, Nick, let's go get the refill.
No, you can't.
All right, guys, so we're currently leaving the place.
No.
Yeah, guys.
Can't believe it, man. It was such a good time. Say goodbye to Log Wolf. Or whatever this place is called.
Great.
We stayed in that room right there.
Yeah, I don't think they can see it though.
Let me stop. They finna find us.
They're not gonna find us.
Look.
What?
Guys, so we have a crisis. Sophie is crying because her phone is dead. And she has a fully charged tablet, but she won't watch it. Anyways, so there goes Great Wolf Lodge. We'll see you. I don't even think we're gonna come back here. I only liked it. Guys, are we ever gonna come back here?
I doubt it.
Daddy?
Probably after the construction.
Yeah.
After construction?
There's a construction going on.
Yeah, there's a lot of construction going on. I'm not gonna lie, Kalahari better. Kalahari was better. Because in the right guys, in the water park, it wasn't even that big. So it was like, let me see. It wasn't that many. It was fun though, cause
It was bigger.
no, it wasn't bigger.
Building a new water slide here.
Look, check it out.
Oh, hell
You missed it.
That looks scary.
But yeah, because the oh yeah, check it out, check it out. All right. Yeah, it wasn't even that big. Oh yeah, check this one. Check it out, guys. I don't know if you guys remember from the last video, but we're back here at Aquaba Fish Market. Check it out. We haven't been here in like how many months? Since like I don't remember. It's been a long time though.
Yeah?
It still look the same. What happened?
It smells like ass.
No, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It dead ass stinking here. It dead ass stinking here, guys. Bro, what the hell? Miss America.
What this shit?
Miss America.
Yes, guys, we make a stop by.
That's for grinding coconut.
Grinding coconut.
Yeah.
You hold it there, my head is
Sorry.
out.
Sorry.
This is the shit school teachers
That's-
used to beat your ass with when
This
you
is a grater.
act up.
We
in
grate the
school.
coconut.
You don't grade no
Dumbass. You didn't
damn.
know that?
Where you?
It's
How
a
you
grater.
grade?
You sit.
Where you grade?
Watch
Look, let me
it
show
one
you.
way
No,
apart.
before I lash you with this
You
shit.
sit down
Shut
on
up.
it.
You sit
You
down
sit
on
on
this.
it and go like so. You look good. You like so with the coconut. Guys, I don't know if you remember from the last video. We got my boy Lake here.
Hey, boy. Alright, guys, so today, this video, we're gonna.
Guys, just know that this whole video was dedicated to Chef and Miss America's anniversary. So
And even if it is, we are still gonna ask them to get food. So, guys.
So, are we gonna buy
are we gonna
Yeah,
buy
where
food?
are we
Are we gonna buy food?
Guys, this is the main focus.
Yes, but no.
This main, oh my god. This is the main focus, guys.
That's how it felt earlier.
Are we gonna buy food?
See, even Sophie's
Are we
accent.
gonna get food?
So, guys, where we do that, I'll
Are we gonna get food?
See,
No, there's no right there.
So, guys, comment down below. Do you think we should get food? I personally think
and
yes.
by the time they comment,
They know what I mean, bro. They know what I mean.
guys. Anyways, comment down below where our next trip should be.
Oh yeah, we're always looking for new locations. Anywhere we travel the world. What's
Yeah.
so damn funny?
What's a mad ras? Which one of you is a mad ras?
Mad Ras? Who's a Mad Ras?
You.
I don't know. One of you niggas is a mad ras.
Wait, what? Who's a Mad Ras?
The nigga buying that is a mad ras.
Drop my card.
Yo, Mad Ras?
Mad ras is not a bad.
Mad Ras?
We're like 5 times. And now we're
Mad Ras? What the hell?
Mad ras. Whoever buying that is a mad ras. Like you.
Oh.
You want Johnny man cut or you want Indian cut? Johnny man?
What?
The Chinese man.
Yeah, of course. How is it?
You want to straw?
You drink one
I'm
too?
gonna take a straw. Thank you. That one? That's my one?
How is it?
Nice.
Again. Check out the chop in action there.
Don't get pressure on this.
You need one too?
Thank you.
You good?
I'll be that one?
Let me get one for this young man now.
Like,
No, I'm good. Yeah.
Oh boy.
check it out here.
Huh? Check it out, guys. Making fresh icy right here. Fresh from the bucket. Check it out.
Drink one, man.
Nah, I'm good. How's it, chef? How was it?
Very good.
Smell coconut sweet, you know.
I told him Lake is serving out the 20th anniversary. I tell him.
Yeah, guys. Lake served for their 20th anniversary. I can't believe they lasted 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah. That's funny.
No, thank you. They lasted 20 years without any fighting, no divorce, nothing.
I'm gonna punch him.
Here we go. Let's set the table here soon. Yeah, like when I keep the jelly.
Yeah.
Coming up here. One at a time. You got one here.
How's it?
It's good.
How's Miss America?
It's good.
It's good?
It's delicious, guys. It's delicious.
Delicious. What do you think?
What I think? Think about what?
No, deadass. What do you think about this right now?
Think about what?
What do you think about his cutting skills?
Oh, the cutting skills? Cutting skills are fire.
Yeah. Think you can do that?
Oh, no, I'll probably cut 3 fingers off.
You like coconut?
Oh, that shit tastes like ass. Let me tell you what coconut tastes like. Coconut tastes like...
Here we go.
You know what coconut tastes like? Coconut tastes like when you drink water and you spit it back out, but then you drink back the same spit water you spit out. That's exactly what coconut water tastes like.
No, you said it tastes like somebody drink it, then spit it out, and you drink
Same
it.
shit. It tastes like spit water. Try it.
I played around. It's good. Can you stop? Well, you guys acting
Here.
weird, yeah?
You drop them. Oh,
The
look.
worst in the day.
You drop a coconut bite. Shut up. So?
Very good.
No! How is it? It's good.
Na 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 na. Kill 'em if you know. Na 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 na. Kill 'em with the head tie. Kill 'em if you know. Just make a boy know you're not low. Head tie. Kill 'em if you know. No boy ain't got no secrets but the wow. Head tie. Kill 'em if you know. Just make a boy know you're not low. Head tie. Kill 'em if you know. Tell them to be a gossip so.